Today's meatloaf is smoking good.
And this isn't any old meatloaf. We stuffed it with cheese.
That's right. And then we topped it with an amazing balsamic glaze.
Oh, y'all, this meatloaf smokes all the other meatloafs.
Did you get the sense that we're smoking?
We're smoking.
It's smoking good. I am so excited, and I love meatloaf, so let's get going.
All right, so I've got 1.5 pounds of ground beef.
That's 85% lean. You want a little flavor in there.
Then I've got some pork. That's 1/2 pound of pork. I'm just gonna mix it a little more, mix it all up there. You pour, Chris.
Okay,
I'll pour some stuff in here as
so
I'm
this is a
mixing.
medium onion that we chopped. It's about
Perfect.
1/2 cup. Let's get all that in there.
Okay.
Some people like to saute their onions because they just don't like any kind of onion with much texture, but it's gonna cook, it's gonna slow cook in the smoke, so I don't think it's necessary. This is a cup of Panko breadcrumbs.
Oh, I love the panko in there.
Now we're gonna add some really serious flavor. We've got 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. We've got a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I've got 1/2 cup of tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
We've got a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese.
Yes.
We've got, here we go.
2 eggs. There you go, Chris.
We've got 2 eggs.
Don't mess it up. I don't want any.
2 eggs.
I don't want any eggshells in my.
In your meatloaf?
Yes,
I
there
know.
you go.
Okay, and that's 2 eggs, and then we've got some herbs here. These are fresh herbs. That's a tablespoon of fresh parsley and a tablespoon of fresh chopped thyme. You could do dried if you want. Just do like a teaspoon. This can handle some salt, so we're gonna do a teaspoon and a half of kosher salt, teaspoon of crushed black pepper, and I believe that's everything.
Wow, y'all, you haven't felt.
Life until you've
felt life till you've had your hands in some meatloaf mixture.
That's yes. That's another working title of your memoir.
It actually is kind of fun. It feels kind of good.
Oh, okay. Now we're gonna make, you gotta make things pretty, but also it helps in cooking. So we've got just a nice bread loaf pan here to make, to form it. And then what we're gonna do is we've lined this with plastic wrap, which is gonna make removing it from the pan super easy. How's it coming?
Oh, I think I've got it.
You good?
Good and mixed up. Oh, wow, y'all.
Oh, I know.
This smells.
The
All right.
smell is
so,
insane.
Chris, I'm gonna give you like half of this, maybe. Is that right?
Sure, yeah, we're
Put
gonna
it back over there so everybody can see.
Oh, sorry. Trying to make it easier for you.
I know. Here we
Okay.
go. Pull that in there. Make sure that plastic wrap stays put, because that means we can pull this out.
This was
here
Wesley's
easier.
ingenious
This is not-
idea.
And if it doesn't work, I'm blaming it on Chris.
Well, okay. So now let me just kind of help press that in there. Hopefully this was a good idea.
Yes, it's fine. I got it.
So just, kind of flatten it out with your hands. If you're, be careful if you're touching raw meat that if you're gonna use gloves, dispose of them
Immediately after you've done
if
all
not
this.
sooner. Okay.
Is that enough? Is that enough down
I think
in
that's
there?
good.
Okay.
Yeah, we're good. Just want
Are
to
you
kind
gonna make a well? There you go.
Okay. Well, okay. So now we've got 2 hunks of cheese. This is
2 hunks of cheese.
It's kind of like us. This is Fontina cheese. You want to use any kind of cheese that is good melting cheese. This is about 5 ounces. It's a significant amount of cheese. Let's just put it that way.
Yes.
You don't have to fill it with cheese, but doesn't cheese make everything better? I think so.
It does. Here, I got more. I got more meat.
You got more meat.
There you
This
go.
should fill up this loaf pan nicely. And then we're going to talk about the smoker here in just a moment. Okay, Wesley,
How's that?
I think it's
good?
looking good.
Is
All
that
right.
good? All right.
This is the moment of truth.
So I think I'm going to take off my gloves. And
Take
you
off
can
my
flip.
gloves too. Okay, y'all. You ever had smoked meatloaf before? Oh, it is to die for.
Okay, here, grab that, Chris.
Okay. Now, this is just a grill pan. I've got a link for it in the description. It's going to go in the smoker. You could just do this on any kind of a baking pan. Okay. So far, so good. Nice.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Oh, I should have not taken off my gloves yet. That's all right. I'll handle
that's
this,
okay.
Chris.
Okay. We're good. We're good. Okay, so look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Yay.
Perfectly shaped. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so
That's
excited.
perfect.
Okay, so now we're going to take this out.
I think I was ingenious with that.
It was ingenious.
It was an ingenious idea.
Okay, so now we're going to take this out to the smoker and smoke it.
And sweat. I'm going to sweat.
Okay, here we are at
Yes.
our beloved smoker.
Yeah,
All right, so
this electric smoker, it has been used and used and used and used.
it has, so we'll talk a little bit about that. So we've got 8 ounces of hickory wood chips.
Yes.
Hickory is great for beef. You can also do pecan. That is a wonderful choice as well. Get away there.
Yes.
Okay, so now we're just gonna put this.
We got meat outside.
Yeah. So this is an electric smoker. We are teamed up with some of our favorite people in the world at Smokin' Tex. They are incredible. I'm telling you, it's just the most amazing contraption, and it makes the most delicious smoked meat. And because they're such good friends of ours, and they know how much you guys love to make good food, we're able to offer you a discount. They ship all over the place. They have a variety, all kinds of smoking equipment.
They're awesome.
Anyway, check it out.
They're perfect for people that live in a condo because you can't have open fires in condos.
Right, and so we've got a link in the description, and order and get that discount. Okay, I'm gonna turn this to nice low and slow, 225 degrees. It's gonna take about 3.5 hours, and then we're gonna apply that amazing balsamic glaze. Let it go a little bit longer, then we finally get to eat it.
Yes, I'm gonna go inside.
Okay, so it's been about 3.5 hours, and now it's time to add just this super simple glaze. I mean, we talked simple, this is super simple. It is just, I got 6 tablespoons of tomato sauce. I added 2 tablespoons of that good old balsamic, mix that together, and then I saved some off to the side because it's fun to drizzle on after the meatloaf is completely done and you're serving it. Now, be careful, this is gonna be hot. We're gonna open this up. Oh boy. Now that is something to behold, you guys. Look at that. It's not unusual for a little cheese. That's gonna happen. That's perfectly normal. But this is looking so good. I'm just gonna put that glaze all over, and it'll just kind of caramelize and continue to cook. We've probably got about 30 more minutes of cooking to go. And then it is time to chow down. Look at that. I mean, epic doesn't even begin to describe
That
it.
smoker is amazing.
That smoker, and then we've got our ThermoPro instant read thermometer that is a game changer. We're ambassadors with them. You get a discount. Click on the link. Okay, guys, so we brought this in. We got a couple of spatulas. Let it rest for about 5-10 minutes. I'll let those juices settle. And then we just got a couple of spatulas, and it's pretty solid. It moves pretty clearly, pretty easily.
Oh, wait, hold on, Chris. We've got some mashed potatoes
We've got our best mashed potatoes. This baby begs for mashed potatoes.
Oh, you got these good buttery.
I know. Well, how else would you do mashed potatoes? Okay, should I do the honors, Wesley?
Yes, please.
All right, this is such a fun thing to dig, and that cheese in the middle is such a surprise. Okay. Oh. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
People
I
are like,
can't see
"What?"
it.
Oh boy, you will soon. Flow is a flow
That's
is just oozed.
Ooze. I love that, Chris.
Yeah.
Give me some. Get it the long way so it doesn't break apart. I'm just saying. You're in such a hurry.
No, not really.
There we go. You guys.
Beautiful. So we let this go till about like 150, 155. You could let it go 165 just to make sure it's really, really super done. Yeah. Yum.
Chris, there's yours. Now, are you gonna do the honors of adding a little of that?
Let's add a little
balsamic.
So this is the extra that we just kept, just because it's so yummy.
Good.
Oh, it's so great. I've got a little fresh parsley. Just 'cause
Yay!
parsley makes everything pretty. Okay.
Gosh, it has been a long day.
Well, and
The whole neighborhood smells like we've been
everyone's
smoking.
been stopping by like, what you making?
I want everybody to see your food, Chris. There you go.
Oh boy. Okay.
I've been waiting for eternity.
Smoke flavor.
Oh, you guys. Oh, and that cheese. Chris,
I know,
look at
the
that
cheese,
cheese, y'all.
the cheese.
There's a good cheese bowl.
Now that's a cheese bowl.
All right, I'm gonna go in. Oh, and the mashies. Oh, Chris.
I know. All right, so we got the recipe for the mashed potatoes too. This is a comfort food at its very best.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm salivating.
Wow. Oh, okay. Okay, I have some more.
So moist and so tender that, oh my gosh.
Wow. You can really, I love, no ketchup used in this.
No ketchup.
No ketchup
Yeah,
was
that's true.
harm.
Yeah, the balsamic is so delicious. I mean, that smoke flavor.
Oh, and the cheese and the Fontina in the middle. Oh.
Wow.
Okay, I'm dying. Okay. This is 500,000% ludicrous.
I had a feeling.
It is so good,
It is.
and it's meat and it's smoked. Do you guys like the smoking recipe? Do you want more?
I think
so.
we're gonna give you. We're gonna start doing more smoking recipes because you guys asked for it. And don't forget, Smoke and Tex. You can get a discount. They are the best.
Yes.
Thermopro.
Loon 10. Loon 10.
And you're helping out a couple of loons. when you do it,
Yes.
too. So, all right, we love you guys so much.
Keep on smoking.
Smoking, baby, smoke.